Hey, what's happening, guys? Jamie G back here again. Thanks very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, running Facebook ads, and pretty much everything digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, I'd love to have you guys join me for the journey. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out, which hopefully is going to be a lot this year. Without further ado, what I'm going to do is jump into what I'm covering today, which is CPA marketing. Now, if you've never heard of that, don't stress, I'm going to cover everything. It's going to be a 3-part series where I'm actually going to go through how to basically sign up for a network, how to select an offer, and then also a couple of tips on how you can start promoting these offers as well. So basically with CPA marketing, hopefully by now you're somewhat familiar with affiliate marketing. If you're not, essentially all you're doing is selling someone else's products, and every time you make a sale, you receive a commission for doing so. Not that dissimilar to perhaps a sales role in the real world. Obviously, a huge number of benefits. You can change what you're promoting at any stage. You are not tied in with anything. You can basically promote anything under the sun. There's a range of stuff for physical products, for digital products, for pieces of software. There's all sorts of stuff out there. It's really cool, hence why I absolutely love it. But CPA is a little bit different in the sense that it means cost per action. So you're getting paid for every time someone places an action on your link. And what do I mean by that? An action. What does that mean? Basically, it can be as simple as someone entering a zip code. It can be as simple as someone entering their email address. It can be basically, obviously, a sale as well, which is affiliate marketing, as I'm sure you're aware. Or it can be what else is there? There's all sorts of stuff. Sometimes even filling out surveys and doing things like that, and people get paid for doing that type of stuff as well. So obviously, the main benefit is if you think about trying to get someone to buy something off you, and they've never met you before, then sometimes that can be a little bit hard. You need to make sure that people know, like, and trust you before they will buy anything from you. It's just the nature of the beast. Having said that, with CPA marketing, because a lot of the time we are going after things like just plugging in an email address or something like that, the entry is a lot easier, a lot smaller. Now, I guess by that same token, you're not going to get paid as much. It might be like $1 or a couple of dollars, or sometimes $3 to $5 for an email submit. But like, you're not really selling anyone. It's just an email, right? So it should be pretty easy. Anyway, basically, to start with, what I'm going to go through is the website that I'm on now, which is fpaying.com. I'm going to leave a link below here. Feel free to check it out. And I'm going to skip to what my favorite network is, which is Max Bounty. I'm also going to leave a link below for that, and I'm going to cover in the next video how I go about choosing my offers, and then in the following video after that, I'm going to cover how to start promoting those offers as well. But if you prefer just to do a bit more research, you're welcome to. Like I say, I'm on fpaying.com at the moment, and this is basically a site that gives, I guess, ratings for different affiliate networks or CPA networks that are out there. Obviously, there's a lot of them. Now, there is probably a bit of a vested interest with this particular site, because if you click through to the particular CPA network that they are promoting, they will in turn receive remuneration for most of the time, at least anyway. That's not to say that the reviews aren't legitimate. It's just something to bear in mind. My personal favorite is Max Bounty, as I say. There's also something like, what do we got? Click Booth, there's Peerfly, CPA Way. There's a whole ton of them, and obviously all the ones here. So feel free to have a look through. The first thing is to sign up for a network. Now, a lot of the time, these are for, I guess, more experienced marketers. So sometimes you will need to basically go through a little phone interview. Now, it's not overly complex. It's really just answering a couple of questions. And all you need to say realistically is that you're brand new to this, you're soaking in some information from some resources online, and you're looking to get into the industry. You're not going to spam the links. You have no intention of doing so. A lot of the time, they will also ask for a website, and if you don't have one, basically you can just jump on like some WordPress or Blogspot and just get something like that together. It really doesn't matter. It's more about going through that process, and I'll show you why you won't need any of that in the next video. So anyway, that's it. Have a look through. have a bit of a read about what CPA is, how it can help you. And in the next one, I'm going to go through Max Bounty, which, like I say, is my personal favorite, the one that I do use most of the time. And you're welcome to join as well. It is free to do so. Like I say, you might have to go through that little interview process. Don't freak out, though. They do interview everyone, self-included, when I first started. And it's not overly complex. You just they need to know you're a real person. You're not in there to kind of scam people, anything like that. So anyway, that's all I wanted to cover today. I am going to go through selecting offers, all that sort of stuff in the next video. So I will see you guys then. Have a good one. Bye.